Owning a home is a dream shared by many, and in rural areas, this dream of a permanent concrete house is becoming a reality through Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. In Goa, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant's government is actively and effectively implementing the scheme to fulfill the housing aspirations of the rural poor. Under this initiative, the Goa government has nearly completed the construction of 254 houses for beneficiaries with a total expenditure of approximately 3.40 crore rupees.
पक्का घर उनका हो, इसीलिए हमारी सरकार हमेशा के लिए हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल इसके लिए काम करते आई है। हमारा तो प्लानिंग है कि इवन दो कि बाकी लोगों को भी यानी जो ओबीसी, एससी, एसटी और इवन दो इकोनॉमिकल वीकर सेक्शन, इन लोगों को भी उनका पक्का घर किस तरह से मिले, उनके घर रिनोवेट किस तरह से हो, इसलिए सरकार स्कीम फॉर्मुलेट कर रहे हैं।
The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has transformed the lives of economically weaker families across both rural and urban India. In Goa, the government has successfully identified eligible beneficiaries and provided them with homes. The scheme is jointly funded by the central and state governments in a 60/40 ratio. 60% of the funding comes from the Government of India and the remaining 40% is contributed by the Goa state government.
So under PMAY 1.0, the target given by the ministry was 254 houses. So in which we have completed almost the entire target. Only 4 cases that we have are pending with us that we will do in 4 months. Regarding PMAY 2.0, the survey is being still going on.
Inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision, the scheme has brought meaningful change to the lives of many individuals. One such example is Vishwanath Gaonkar, who used to live in a mud house with his mother in remote Bicholi Taluka. With the support of the PM Awas Yojana, he now has a concrete home, offering him a safer and more comfortable life.
पहले हमारा घर मिट्टी का था, अभी हमारा घर अच्छा है, अभी उसका मैं शुक्रिया अदा बनता हूँ।
Another example is Mathura Vitthal Desai, a resident of Adwalpal village in North Goa. She also benefited from the scheme, using it to renovate her home. Throughout rural Goa, many beneficiaries like her now enjoy permanent, secure homes made possible by the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana.
5-6 जण आम्ही एका हितून रूमान रावान, आमच्या मातयेच्या घरान तितून सोरोप जे तितून कुत्री बसात तितून आमी रावान। तेन्ना सरकारान आमकां दिलें न्हू, तेन्ना आमी तें घर बांदलें। तेन्ना आमकां उमेद कशी दिसली सरकाराचें बरें जावं, सरकार बरो असोच आसूं सरकार।
From mud walls to concrete dreams, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is reshaping rural life in Goa. With every door opened, a new life begins. With every roof raised, a fear fades. This isn't just construction, it's a vision realized with compassion. A home for every hand, a future for every family, because true progress begins at home.